2013 Honda Accord rear strut or coilover replacement. Come open up the trunk, pull that lever, it'll fold the seats down. As you see, I already started. You can take out this center floor console for the trunk. You don't have to, but you got a bunch of these little push pins that you got to take out. And what you do is you lift up this floor, off the floor, but the seat, I don't know if you can see, but down there under that silver thing is a 10mm bolt that got to come out. So you can take this whole side panel off. Once you get that 10mm bolt out, you just pull this piece straight up, it'll come out. Take your hand behind here, and this will pop out and give you easier access instead of just lifting this up. So once you get this seat cover off from the side, right on the side, let's see, it's a nut there, and this one on the other side, you can kind of see it. Two 14mm that need to come out. Then you can come to the bottom, right where my socket is, one 17mm bolt that needs to come out. So now we got the top bolt and the bottom bolts out. Remove the upper part of the sway bar link, and this lower part of, I'm assuming this is a torsion bar, 17mm here, and for the upper part of that sway bar link, it's going to be a 14. Now you should be able to pry down on it, and it should pop down. You got to get it off of that though. Gotta pop down, and then you should be able to wiggle it. We'll see. I'll let you know once I get it out. So with somebody pulling down on a strut, or you pulling down on a suspension like this, you will free up the strut or coil over, and to come out. Now, just do the same thing and installing a new one. You gotta press down on here. See it springing, you have to put a lot more force. Feed it in there. Put it up to the top. Get everything started. Hand tighten, and then you can lock it down. Alright, we just got the strut in. The easiest way I found to get it in is to actually grab here and rotate it into that thing. See how it's moving? You want it almost 180 degrees. Turn it, have somebody pry bar, and then wedge it on there. Now all we gotta do is put the strut on the knuckle, put our 17mm bolt in, go to the top and the inside, tighten up the two 14s. And we get from go to the next step from there. Once you get the upper strut mounted and the lower strut mounted, don't forget to do your torsion bar mount, and don't forget about your sway bar link you gotta install.